Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove and reattach the silicone bin and filters of the Dyson V8 cordless upright vacuum cleaner. Additionally, I want to remind you that you should never expose the Dyson bin and filters to hot water while cleaning them. Do not use a hair dryer or heater to dry the filters. Instead, wash them with lukewarm water and allow them to dry naturally. If you reinstall the filters before they are completely dry, dust will stick to them, causing clogging. This will reduce the suction power and cause the battery to drain within 2 to 3 minutes, making you think the battery is faulty. By watching this video carefully, you can easily perform this process. Subscribe, like, and support our channel to follow our other videos.